We're here with Gabriel, and he is the owner of a tiny house.
It's my tiny house Airbnb. Rock area here.
For those crystal enthusiasts.
Have one. It's our man cave. Here is the tiny house.
So you got your porch here, little hangout spot,
Little swings.
swings.
And this is it. That's a didgeridoo.
Did you go to Australia to get that?
I didn't. I got shipped from Australia. So I made this wall just with just wood cookies. I took my chainsaw and just sliced them up, and just got these from Home Depot and made these with 1x5s or 1x6s, and then made this little bathroom here. You have a moss wall and a little barrel sink, and just a toilet.
What's this little thing on the side of the toilet?
That is a bidet.
Oh, so you turn that on after you get done with your
Absolutely.
business?
I don't know how people live without it. Once you use one, you'll never go back.
Yeah, it's way better than like using toilet paper
Yeah,
and like.
it just saves a lot on just toilet paper alone. So
In there?
they just come out. We had some guy propose to his girlfriend in there, believe it or not.
Wow.
I had a storage container in the backyard that I was just using for my tools, and my girlfriend thought it would be a good idea to make it an Airbnb. So I don't know anything about construction, so I just watched a bunch of YouTube videos. That's what a lot of people like. that they can just walk around the yard and
see different things.
see new things. It's perfect for people with ADD. But first, check out the owlbear. So this is a Dungeons and Dragons character. And this took me maybe 2 or 3 months to print. And it probably
that's constantly running those printers?
For the most part, yeah. And cost me probably over $1,200, but it's one of a kind. And then we have a baby over there. It's a baby owlbear.
Yeah, I can see the scenes.
For this it works because it's a skeleton, but other things you have to really put wood filler on the seams and sand it down, and it's a whole process.
To make it look more.
Yeah. These are silky chickens. This is how big she's gonna get. She has a little top hat here.
That's a cool chicken.
Yeah. And this is just my pond. So
is there any koi in
We
there?
have some koi fish, some catfish, some goldfish.
And so you did this, you did like a submersible pump here for the waterfall?
Yeah, it goes in, it just kind of goes along the rocks, and had a couple turtles in here, but they escaped. So the fish are there, I think they're eating. We have our little lounge fire pit area here.
I see there's some instructions on here.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know how to work propane, so
Yeah.
makes it easier. And then we'll check out the rabbit.
The bunny ranch.
The bunny ranch. Or the rabbitat.
The rabbitat, I like that. So how long does it take to print like something like this size?
So it depends on like the layer height, the infill, basically how thick it is and all this stuff. But this, about a day and a half.
So it's like working all night and stuff all day?
All night. And it doesn't even touch electricity, but a lot of people think it does, but it doesn't.
And it sounds like a regular like computer printer that prints on paper?
Yeah, it's pretty quiet.
So do you guys get eggs from these decorative looking chickens
We
too?
do. The silky chickens, their eggs are kind of small, but we've eaten them, and I mean, they're good. It's just, we just buy them.
Yeah.
I mean, the guests could come in here and eat them, but they usually lay eggs in there. And cool.
Have you had them like hatch before? Like, cause we had here roosters around.
You know what? The only one that we've had hatch was one baby from her.
That's cool. So you and Bachman can have a nice little party back here.
So when we have parties, that's what happens. So this is the greenhouse. We have a lot of cool plants here.
I see what you did with the sprinkler system too. That's pretty ingenious.
Because I kill a lot of plants, so this way everything in here just thrives.
I should have brought you an orchid. I have a bunch of orchids that like broke off.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, but I need to build something like this to like put it on.
So what we have, check these out. They're super easy to print, and they work great.
Well, I need a 3D printer.
Yeah. Here, I'll show you inside real fast.
This looks badass too. It's like a...
So yeah, I got that from one of our friends.
Is that a ficus?
He has a nursery. I forget what it is. I think it is a ficus.
It's like a
But it's a little
bonsai
ficus bonsai, and they hang in those trees. So
without further ado,
we come in here, and we're greeted with the dinosaur footprints, 1-to-1 scale of a velociraptor.
ooh.
And then you have the Tyrannosaurus Rex right beside you.
Oh, I didn't even see that. It was hidden. How long did it take to print the Triceratops?
Between 3 printers, it took me probably about a week.
And then you painted it too, like that?
Yeah,
or?
I glued it together. It's just a nice sounding thing when you're in here.
Yeah.
So.
Definitely has a vibe to it.
The rabbit.
The bunny ranch.
The bunny ranch. Or the rabbitat.
Here they are.
We have a little bantam chicken here. They only get to be about that big. And
Whoa.
they're playing. We're here.